Alright, this is going to be our initial televise from the very back of the basement where the kitchen stack is under the laundry tub. Just going through a 3-inch line. This is going to be our initial video before we descale. Alright, this is going to be our initial video. It's kind of hard to get a visual because this line is so gunked up with like kitchen grease. We're going to probably have to peacoat this out because I cannot push this thing more than a couple feet. We ran water and it does drain, but it drains slowly. So we're going to get the peacoat machine and try to break some of this free so we can open up this line a little bit.